Okay, so again we are here on our Insta360 Luna Ultra. Every setting is default, natural, color profile, 4K 30 FPS, and we're going to test it. I am busy, so I have some work, but along with that we'll shoot a vlog. But recently I have noticed a lot of issues with this camera. Issues as in the things that no YouTuber had talked about or have given us any advice or so. The first thing I noticed is the joystick is stiffer than the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Osmo Pocket 4 joystick is very smooth, and this one is like the height is very short, so whenever we try to adjust the gimbal movement, it feels stuttery. You're not able to do that smoothly. In DJI Osmo Pocket you can press it hard so it will move faster, or you can like subtly adjust the gimbal movements, but not here. And then the second thing, when I tried it to connect with the computer, it was showing only the file transfer option. It should have the webcam option, but it is not there yet. I checked the Reddit threads, but even there Insta360 is saying that we have this suggestion in mind and we have given it to R&D team. Bro, this is around $1,000 camera and you haven't even added the webcam support yet. Hopefully in the next firmware update they will update it soon. Then another thing I noticed is the USB-C cable they gave. It's USB 2, not USB 3. You're not able to transfer the data faster. I had to use my DJI Osmo Pocket 4 cable, which is USB 3 PD cable, and it was faster. Why? I mean, why? Like, bro, and nobody's talking about this, right? So I just wanted to highlight this point. Then again, when we shoot in low light, right, that time when you press record button, it blacks out for 1 second. Also when you stop the recording, it blacks out for 1 second. It annoys, right? It really annoys. Hopefully that can also be fixed in firmware update. Let's see. Before the launch of DJI Pocket 4P, maybe they have rushed or so, I really don't know, but there are a lot of improvements they can do in this software firmware version. Apart from that, everything I felt till the time is good. The image quality is good, colors are good, even the feel that we have in hand, right, it feels sturdy than the DJI Pocket 4. It feels very sturdy. Nice, that is nice. It's not that I don't like this camera, but the thing is you should know all the aspects of it, right? But the things I like, there are a lot of factors that's why I considered this. The main thing is that detachable screen. It really is ease of use, as I am like a solo content creator, right? I can just put my camera anywhere and just take out the remote, good to shoot. I can really frame it well, can take some more creative shots by having that adjustment at my hand. This was just a raw take of mine about this camera. Thorough video are coming soon, and if this video really helped you, please do consider subscribing the channel because it will motivate me. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions regarding this camera or any other thing, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. That said, living young and wild and free. Bye.